Dear viewers, this video is only for the new YouTuber today. Hi there guys, you are watching at this moment RSB Tech 24 and I am Ratak Siddhar is all with you. Dear viewers, you know that when we start a new YouTube channel, that means when we are a new YouTuber, then our subscriber count will be very low. But when see viewers that this YouTube channel's subscriber is very low, then they want not to subscribe the channel because they think the YouTube channel is very new and it has low subscriber and it has no important or very useful content. For this reason they want not to subscribe the channel. But when they find a old channel and it has huge subscribers, then they want to subscribe the channel because they think it has important and very useful content in this channel. For this reason they want to subscribe it. But most of the time a new YouTuber don't know how to hide the YouTube count for his or her new YouTube channel. But I want to show you in this video that how can we hide our YouTube subscriber count in our mobile or in our PC. The viewers, if you want to see the total process in this video, so I am requesting you to see the video with the first and last. I think the video will be very helpful to you to hide the YouTube subscriber count. Dear viewers, let's know we see the video. Dear viewers, let's start the video. If we want to stop or if we want to hide our new YouTube subscriber, then we have to use this process. The viewers, at first we need to open our Chrome browser. That means any browser you may open, but I always use Chrome browser. For this reason I have to open Chrome browser. Viewers, we are see here the Chrome browser. That means Chrome browser. We have to open this Chrome browser. After opening it, dear viewers, we are see here the YouTube and we have to click on the YouTube, this icon, and after clicking here we have seen the scene of this page, and we are seeing here upper and left side 3-dot menu, and in this 3-dot menu we have to click, and dear viewers, and lower side we are seeing here that desktop site, and desktop site is already tick mark here. Dear viewers, if you lost this, so you need to tick mark here, and we need to desktop site and desktop mode we need for this process. And after desktop mode completing, we are see here, if we zoom it, and we are see here our YouTube channel's icon here, the lower right and upper side, our YouTube icon, and we need to click on it. And after clicking here we are see here is YouTube Studio. Dear viewers, we are seeing here YouTube Studio, and we need to find out it YouTube Studio, and we need to click here. Viewers, we need to some seconds to open this page, and we are see that this page already opened, and that type of page we are found here, and next we are right and left side we are see here 3 lines menu. Viewers, we are see here 3 lines menu, and we need to click on the 3 lines menu, and then we are seeing lower side the settings, and we need to click on the settings. After clicking here we are find that type of page, and if we zoom it, then we can find channel. Dear viewers, we need to click on the channel. After clicking the channel, we see in the right side, that means advanced settings, and next advanced settings we have to click on the advanced settings. After clicking these advanced settings, we need to scroll this, and we need to go, and we have to find subscriber count. Dear viewers, this is our main point, subscriber count, and it's a box and it has no tick mark. If we want to show our subscriber count, for this reason we need to click here and we need to put here tick mark if we want to show our subscriber count. But if we want not to show our subscriber count, for this reason we need to click here and we need to omit this tick mark. The viewers now there is, but the viewers now no one can find the subscriber count at this moment in this channel. The viewers, this video is still that, and I hope this video is very helpful to you and it will be very easy to continue your YouTube channel. The viewers, if you find any problem, so you can comment me in this video. The viewers, if you like my video, then you can like, comment or share this video with your friends, with your nearest or with your family member. And you are requested, and you are cordially requested to subscribe my channel RSB Tech 24. The viewers, the video is till that and no more today. And see you in the next time and take care.